Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I'm your teacher, and today I have a special guest with me, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, teacher. Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
Anna, today we want to talk about something very important. Time. You know, time is like money, but even more special. When money is gone, you can earn more. But when time is gone, it's gone forever. We cannot get it back.
That's true. I feel like I never have enough time, especially for learning English. I want to improve, but my day feels so full.
Many people feel like you, Anna, and that's exactly what we want to talk about today. How to use our time wisely, especially to learn English, without feeling stressed or burned out. Before we start, I have a question for all our listeners. Where do you think you waste the most time during your day? Think about it.
Oh, that's a good question. I think I know some places.
Yes, we all do. So, Anna, let's start with this idea of wasting time. What does it mean for you? When do you feel like you are wasting time?
For me, it's when I finish my day and I think, what did I do today? I was busy, very busy, but I don't feel like I did anything important. My time just disappeared, like scrolling on my phone, maybe.
That's a perfect example, Anna. Wasting time often means using time without a clear purpose or without getting something valuable back. It's not about being lazy, but about not being aware. Imagine you have a glass of water. If you drink it, it helps you. If you pour it on the ground, it's gone, and it didn't help you. Time is like that water. Once it's gone, it's gone.
So, it's not always about doing nothing. Sometimes it's about doing something that doesn't help me.
Exactly. And we're not here to make anyone feel guilty. No, not at all. The goal is awareness, to simply notice where our time goes. When we notice, we can make different choices. So, let us talk about how to use time better, step by step.
Okay, I'm ready for that. I really need some steps.
Great. The first step is about small plans. Many English learners say, I want to learn English. This is a good goal, but it's very vague, very general. It's like saying, I want to travel. Where do you want to travel? When? How?
Yes, I say that. I want to learn English. And then I don't know where to start.
Right. Vague goals do not give your brain direction. Your brain doesn't know what to do, so it does nothing. Instead of I want to learn English, try a small, clear plan. For example, today I will learn 5 new words. Or, today I will listen to an English podcast for 10 minutes. Or, I will read 1 paragraph of an English book.
Just 5 words? 10 minutes? That sounds easy.
It is easy, and that's the point. It gives you a clear path. Imagine you need to walk to a friend's house. If someone says, go to your friend's house, you know where to go. But if they say, go somewhere, you might just stand there, confused. Small plans are like giving yourself a clear address. They give you direction for your day. What do you think about that, Anna?
It makes sense. I often feel overwhelmed when I think about learning English because it feels so big. But 5 words is small. I can do 5 words.
Exactly. And doing 5 words every day is much better than planning to study for 2 hours once a week and then never doing it. Consistency, doing something regularly, is more important than doing a lot sometimes. This leads us to our next point, using pocket time.
Pocket time? What is that?
Pocket time is like small pieces of time that you find in your day, like coins in your pocket. These are moments when you are waiting for something, or you have a short break. For example, waiting for the bus, waiting for your coffee to brew, waiting in a line at the supermarket, or during your lunch break at work.
Oh, I have many of those moments. I wait for the bus for 15 minutes every morning, and I usually just look at my phone or look around.
Perfect! That's pocket time. If you use those 15 minutes to listen to an English song or review 5 new words from your small plan, that's already a lot. Think about it. 15 minutes every day for 5 days is 75 minutes. That's more than an hour of English practice, from time you usually don't even notice.
Wow, I never thought about it like that. I also have a 10-minute coffee break, and sometimes I wait for my computer to start in the morning. That's another 5 minutes.
See? These small moments add up. They become a lot of learning time. Instead of thinking you need one big, long hour to study, you can use these small pieces. It's much easier to find 5 or 10 minutes than to find a full hour. And again, it's about consistency. A little bit every day helps your brain remember and learn better.
So, a small plan, and then use my pocket time for that small plan? That sounds like a good system.
Exactly. And this brings us to the third important point. Make English fun, not a punishment. Our brains are smart. If something feels like a punishment, our brain will try to avoid it. If learning English feels boring, difficult, or like a chore, you won't want to do it.
Oh, definitely. Sometimes I open my textbook, and it's like a big sigh. I don't want to do it.
Yes, that's the feeling. So, how can we change that? Connect English to things you already enjoy. Do you like music? Find English songs and read the lyrics. Do you like watching TV shows or movies? Watch them in English with English subtitles.
I love watching TV shows, but I always watch them in my native language.
Try it with English subtitles, Anna. Or if you're feeling brave, try without. Even if you understand only 50% or 60%, it's still good for your ear and your brain. If you enjoy cooking, find English cooking videos. If you like video games, try playing games in English. Learning doesn't have to be only textbooks and grammar rules. It can be fun.
That sounds much better. I think I would actually do that. Watch a show in English. It doesn't feel like studying.
That's the magic. When it feels fun, you naturally want to do it more. And when you do it more, you learn more. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about something else that steals our time. Time thieves.
Time thieves? I think I know some of them already.
Yes, we all do. The biggest one these days is usually endless scrolling on social media or getting distracted by every notification on our phones. You pick up your phone for 1 minute to check something, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. Have you ever felt that, Anna?
Oh, absolutely. All the time. I feel like my phone just eats my time.
It happens to everyone. The key is to be aware. You don't have to stop using your phone completely, but you can set small rules. For example, I will not check social media during my English pocket time. Or, I will put my phone away for 20 minutes while I listen to a podcast. Small changes can make a big difference. And something else that might seem like wasting time, but is actually very important, is rest.
Rest? But if I rest, I'm not learning. Isn't that wasting time?
No, Anna, rest is not wasting time. Think of it like a battery. Your brain is like a battery. When you work and learn, the battery uses energy. If you don't rest, your battery becomes empty. Then you feel tired, you can't focus, and you can't learn well. Rest recharges your battery. A rested brain learns better, remembers more, and is more creative.
So, taking a break, sleeping well, that's actually helping my English learning?
Exactly. It's an important part of the learning process. Don't feel guilty for resting. It's necessary for your well-being and for effective learning. So, we've talked about a lot today. Small plans, pocket time, making learning fun, avoiding time thieves, and the importance of rest. Let's do a short practice together. I will say some sentences, and you, Anna, and everyone listening can repeat them after me. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Repeat after me. My time is important.
My time is important.
Small actions matter.
Small actions matter.
I use my time wisely.
I use my time wisely.
Excellent! Remember these ideas. Start with small, clear plans. Find your pocket time and use those minutes. Make your English learning fun and enjoyable. Be careful with time thieves like endless scrolling. And remember that rest is not wasted time. It's essential for learning. Anna, how do you feel after this conversation?
I feel much better and more hopeful. I thought I needed hours to study, but now I see how many small moments I have, and I can make it fun. Thank you.
You are very welcome, Anna. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us today. We hope this episode helped you think about your time differently. Share your thoughts with us. Where do you think you waste the most time during your day? Let us know. Remember, your time is precious. Do not waste your life. Use your time with purpose. See you next time.